Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, Air sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see Aquarius, what's going on and what are the messages for you. Aquarius. Three of Swords, Knight of Swords, Four of Swords. Yeah, I think you decided to move on from this person. Maybe you are not giving any time to this relationship right now. You are holding back. Yeah, even though you want rebirth in this connection, but right now you want to end. Maybe it could be temporary ending. Maybe it could be permanent. It depends on your situation. Yeah, maybe you are feeling like this and you are working towards your goals. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Three of Swords, Knight of Swords and Four of Swords. Yeah, you are in no contact situation with your person. There is separation between both of you for some. Three of Swords with Four of Swords. Definitely there is no talking. But someone want to come to you. Someone tries to approach you. Someone try to contact with you. Okay. But you are not available to them because you are undergoing some healing process. You are very heartbroken. Okay. You don't want to talk with anyone that time. And right now what is going? Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. But someone rushing towards you and they are very passionate about you and they want to offer stability to this connection. Yeah. But I think you also invested in this connection. For some, you are waiting for your person, they are coming back. But most of you, Aquarius, what I'm seeing here, you are working towards your goals and you are not taking any decision in rush because Nine of Pentacles with Queen of Wands, near future energies, Temperance. Yeah, you are achieving your patience and you are achieving your balance. You are very grounded. You achieving financial stability and you are very grounded. You stand by your power. What a energy. Wow, very powerful, very powerful. So yeah, but someone is coming. It could be past person. They're coming back to offer stability to this connection. And Seven of Pentacles energy. Maybe right now you are investing your money in different businesses and waiting for the result. Yeah, and you will get success also in business and career. Right now, if not, in near future, it will be. Okay. Yeah, I think the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah. You are concentrating on your career right now. What I'm getting here, you stand by your power. You overcome this heartbreak. You heal completely because in past you are undergoing some healing process. Now you healed completely and you are in super balance and you are in your control and you be like this right now, Aquarius. Very, very, very positive shift and very good shift for you. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. First, Aquarius, we will see your person current feelings. Under the deck, Six of Cups. Yeah, they want reconciliation. But it's too late what I'm getting here. Because Two of Swords, maybe in past they are at some crossroads. They are not in clarity in past, but now they realize you both. Now Three of Swords energy, they are heartbroken without you. Yeah, they are also feeling sad without you. They are heartbroken. And Knight of Wands, definitely they are very passionate about you and they are very attracted to you, Aquarius. Yeah, they are coming back. They want reconciliation. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aquarius. You person near future actions. King of Wands, Knight of Wands. Lot of passion. They are very attracted to you And under the deck, eight of the world, sorry. So this could be long distance relationship. They want reconciliation with you. Maybe for some, the same cycle going repeating between you and your person again and again. So yeah, they're wishing for this connection. And Knight of Wands, they are very attracted to you. King of Wands, maybe King of Wands and Queen of Wands is here. Definitely, I think you both are very attracted to each other, and you both are very strong. Maybe some ego problems also for some. The Tower, yeah, right now they're missing you so much. Now they're realizing your worth. What I'm getting here, Aquarius, because with Three of Swords, the Tower, they're literally undergoing Tower moment. Yeah, they're coming back. The action, Knight of Wands, they're coming back with a lot of passion. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. A lot of cards. Yeah, separation and Nine of Swords. Yeah, they're missing you so much, and they're in depression and anxiety and thinking about you day and night. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. They regret if they walked away from you. One person is walked away in this connection. It could be you or your person. But if they did, definitely they are feeling regret for that. Yeah, for some there will be Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're coming back. This time maybe your person sincere. This is stable offer. I think Ace of Cups, the Fool. Yeah, you also love your person. You also have love for them. Ace of Cups with the Fool. Maybe for some there will be reconciliation. For some, I think you decided to move on and you want to do, and you are loving yourself. You are investing on your energy on yourself. The Fool. I think you started something new in your life. You don't want this person anymore. For some, here two groups. For some there will be reconciliation. For some, you decided to move on. What I'm getting here. Yeah, but they're coming back with a lot of passion. They are very attracted to you. So take what resonates and leave the rest, guys. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Aquarius, apology messages. They want new beginnings and you started something new in your life. Two of Wands, yeah, you are also thinking about them a lot. Wheel of Fortune, things are turning out in your favor. Definitely you are achieving financial stability. You are very powerful right now. You are in control and you started something new and you are living in the present moment. That is the very good thing. So yeah, but you are thinking about them. Some apologies, some messages are coming in your way. Aquarius. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Leo, Death, Temperance. I think 2 times Temperance. I think one person in this connection could be Sagittarius. So Nine of Swords. Yeah, they are missing you so much. Thinking about you a lot. Maybe they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. And Death. Maybe your person undergoing some transformation. After the transformation, they're realizing your worth. Yeah, they're getting all the strength back and coming towards you. The person involved in this connection could be Leo also. So for some there will be reconciliation. For some you decided to move on from this person and you want to work on yourself and you want to invest energy on yourself. But it's up to you. But they are very attracted to you and they're coming back with a lot of passion, what I'm seeing, because they're missing you so much. Now they're realizing your worth, what I'm getting here. So finally it's up to you. So let's see your message from Moon Oracle deck. Aquarius. Your commitment is being tested. So what I am getting here message. So if you in your career right now you are going through something, because your commitment is being tested, be patient, because definitely you will get success. Because it is a testing time for you, even though in relationship, even though in working area, but you will pass this test. Okay, your commitment is being tested. Okay, it is only test. You will pass this and everyone knows you are good enough, and you also think about yourself that you are good enough. Okay, You have to think about yourself first. You have to invest energy on yourself. Yeah. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.